Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are making a cute card with the birthday bear stamp set that comes in this month's box. Sweet Wishes is packed full of goodies. You can get this box at nottoshabbyshop.com. I'll have the link down below in the description box for you. I am using the Misty platform to stamp out my image. I am also using Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I'm going to ink that up twice because I always love my images nice and dark and crisp. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'm going to break out the VersaFine Claire in Nocturne to stamp out my sentiment. I'll also stamp that out twice. And the tool I'm using is the LDRS Stamp Pendable. It helps to put even pressure on top of your Misty. Gives it a nice even stamp impression. I really like using that tool. The other tool I'm using is the Ink Navigator Kit from Multiplicity Crafts. I'm not sure if she's still making that tool or not. You can find her on Facebook if you want to ask her. So I'm just going to clean off my stamp here with my stamp chamois, and it is very loved. It is like super inked up. But here is the paper, one of the paper pads that comes in this kit, and it's got some really pretty patterns in there. So I am just going to take some inspiration from the paper pad. We're going to color up the image with my Copic markers. I'm starting with E35 to add my shadows and the darkest parts of the bear. So I wanted to talk a little bit about how to become a club member. So if you're interested in the boxes, you can become a club member and get the box sent every 30 days automatically. All you have to do when checking out is choose monthly for your frequency. You're able to go into your account and make changes as long as it's before 10 days of your ship date. You also get some perks when being a club member. So you do get a special coupon every month for items in the shop. You are guaranteed your box every month. They do sell out quickly. You'll get a 5% discount at checkout on top of the already discounted products. And inspiration is provided all month long on the Not Too Shabby channel, as well as our design team members' channels. So you'll never run out of ideas on what to create. I'm going to play a little music while you watch the rest of the coloring, and then we'll finish up the card. I'm going to show you the beautiful birthday and presents paper pad that I'm going to use. I love the prints in here. They're so pretty. Perfect for birthday cards. I love that one right there. And that's the one I'm going to use. That's where I got the inspiration for the colors for the balloons. And I love the cupcakes with the butterflies. And I love how there's like a mix of boy and girl images in this paper pad. So it's perfect for all types of birthday cards. And I just love the little bears with the cupcakes. They're just super cute. So we're going to make a background, and I decided I wanted to do a cloud background. So I got out one of my stencils from MFT, and I'm just going to use my Distress Oxides and create a cloudy background. Like he is floating up away into the clouds. So I already stamped my sentiment and my image. So I want to make sure that I don't go over the images. So I'm being very careful. You could create a mask if you wanted to just go over the image without worrying about it. But I just wanted a very light background, so I figure I could get away with it. And it worked perfectly. So I'm just going to mix these blues and pinks together to make this magical background. So on the pattern paper, there's some gold flecks splattered all over the paper. So I wanted to mimic that onto my clouds. So I have this Lindy Stamp Gang color in gold, and I'm just flicking it on. So there's droplets of gold. And I thought that looked really, really cute. So here's a close-up of what it looks like dry. And I love how it shimmers when you tilt it. And here's the finished card. So I just matted it onto that piece of paper and then matted that onto a white folding card base, added some clear sequins, and then my card was finished. So it was really, really fun to make this card. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you real soon in the next video. Take care. Bye, guys.